Pineapple is considered to have begun in South America, and it is high in nutrients and antioxidants that can help fight swelling. It contains vitamins A, K, phosphorus, calcium, and zinc, which can help fight a variety of diseases. Its high vitamin C content that aids in the maintenance of a healthy immune system, while its manganese content promotes a healthy metabolic rate. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Daily Positive Dose. In today's video, we are going to go over 18 amazing health benefits of pineapple. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Treats cold and cough. If you have a bad cold, you should make it a point to eat pineapple. This is due to the presence of bromelain, an enzyme with generally pro-properties that can fight infections and kill bacteria. Eating it on a regular basis can help you avoid catching a cold or cough. Isn't this a tastier way to get rid of that terrible cold and cough? Number 2. Strengthen bones. Pineapple contains irons, which helps to strengthen your bones. All you have to do is integrate this fruit into your daily diet to maintain a strong body and keep your bones strong and healthy. Manganese helps to maintain bone strength, and when combined with zinc, copper, and calcium, it can be extremely beneficial. Thus, pineapple contains all of the components, which is why this fruit can help build stronger bones. Number 3. Good for teeth. Pineapple is said to strengthen your gums and keep your health in good shape. Calcium is a mineral found in your teeth and bones, and pineapple has a high calcium substance. It also contains ions, which aids in the strengthening of bones and teeth. Stay healthy by drinking pineapple juice every day. Number 4. Prevents cancer. A pineapple a day can keep cancer at bay, and this is true of this nutritious fruit. All you have to do is drink pineapple juice every day to realize the benefits. The best part about this fruit is that it reduces cell damage and makes you look younger. This fruit contains a high concentration of antioxidants, which can protect you from a variety of diseases and fight off harmful organisms. Number 5. Aids in digestion. Gulping down all of those delicious dishes can make you feel inflated and cause indigestion. All you have to do is drink or eat some pineapple juice to get rid of that stomach ache. Pineapple is high in bromelain, dietary fiber, and vitamin C, all of which aid in digestion. Number 6. Good for your eyes. Pineapple usage on a regular basis can lower your risk of chronic disease, a disease that affects the eyes as you age. This healthy fruit, on the other hand, is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help with vision. Number 7. Reduce symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis is characterized by severe joint pain that is mainly driven by inflammatory response. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is said to have significant anti-inflammatory properties. All you have to do is make pineapple juice and drink it. This will relieve joint pain and keep you from developing arthritis. Number 8. Prevents hypertension. If you have hypertension, make it a point to start eating pineapples on a regular basis because this fruit contains high amounts of potassium and low amounts of sodium, which can help to maintain blood pressure and make you feel relaxed most of the time. This is the most natural way to keep your blood pressure under control. Number 9. Reduces risk of blood clots. Bromelain, the major ingredient of pineapples, lowers your risk of blood clots. As a result, you should make this healthy fruit your go-to snack. It can benefit your health in a variety of ways, so make it a point to ingest this fruit on a regular basis. Number 10. Contains antioxidants. Pineapples are high in minerals and antioxidants, which help to protect your body from illnesses. As you become older, your body becomes more vulnerable to diseases, which can cause chronic inflammation and decrease your immune system. Pineapple contains antioxidants that help strengthen your immune system and protect you from a variety of ailments. Number 11. Stress buster. Pineapple contains serotonin, a natural stress reliever that keeps your hormones and nerves relaxed. All you have to do is eat or drink some pineapple juice and you'll be fine. When you are stressed, you open the door to plenty of health issues. As a result, you can relieve tension by drinking just one glass of pineapple juice. Number 12. Treats acne. Pineapple juice is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help with acne, ultraviolet damage, and dark circles. Bromelain is an anti-inflammatory and anti-swelling agent that can be found in pineapples. If you want to look fair, all you need to do is drink 1 glass of pineapple juice, which will help you get rid of acne scars. It will also help to keep your skin hydrated and clear. Number 13. Anti-aging properties. As you get older, your skin starts to lose its brightness and wrinkles appear. Pineapple, on the other hand, can make you look younger and prevent cells from dying. Its high antioxidant and vitamin C content is supposed to promote immunity and keep you energetic. The best thing about drinking pineapple juice is that it will smooth out your skin and bring a youthful appearance to it. You may also add a few drops of lemon to it to increase the anti-aging properties. Number 14. Prevents pimples. When you drink pineapple juice, you are getting alpha hydroxy acid, which is the primary ingredient that slows cell death, hence aiding in anti-aging qualities. All you have to do is apply some pineapple juice on your face and wait 5 minutes for it to dry. After that, you may rinse it off with water to remove the toxins from your face, leaving your skin looking fresh and clean. Number 15. Treats black spots. Pineapple can help reduce black spots on your face, and you can do so by rubbing some slices of pineapple over your black spots. You must leave it on your face for 5 minutes to allow it to dry. After that, you can wash it away with water, which will nourish your skin and make it look younger. Number 16. Promotes softer and shinier hair. Pineapple includes vitamin C, which contributes to smoother and shinier hair. Bromelain enzyme is an anti-inflammatory chemical found in pineapple that can help prevent acne, dermatitis, psoriasis, and eczema. Its strong antioxidant content not only improves your skin, hair, and health, but it also boosts your immunity. Number 17. Promotes thick hair. Pineapple offers hair-boosting characteristics that will strengthen your hair and prevent hair loss. This fruit's enzymes include essential elements that can benefit your hair cells. This will increase your hair's thickness and suppleness. Number 18. Cures inflammation in scalp. If you have extreme itching, all you need to do is eat some pineapple, which will provide you with immediate relief. This nutritious fruit is claimed to reduce inflammation in the scalp and prevent hair loss. So, make it a point to drink pineapple juice to prevent hair loss. With that being said, here we come to the end of our video. I hope you liked this video. If so then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you never miss any video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.